Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook you can't make this change at the moment. Now, the first thing you can try is to use a familiar device. Now, this error often occurs when Facebook detects a login from an unfamiliar device. Try making the change from a device you frequently use to access Facebook. Next, you can also try clearing your browser cache. Sometimes clearing your browser's cache and cookies can help resolve this issue. You can also try ensuring that you are using the latest version of the Facebook app. Outdated versions can sometimes cause issues. You can also try verifying your identity. Facebook might require you to verify your identity, and all you have to do is follow the prompts to complete any necessary verification steps. If the issue persists, it might be a temporary restriction. Waiting for a few hours or even a day before trying again can sometimes resolve the problem. Now, if none of these steps work, reaching out to Facebook support for assistance might be necessary and could be the best cause for action. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.